Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate PayPal using RedotPay. First, ensure you have a RedotPay account and have completed its identity verification process. This typically involves submitting your identification documents and waiting for approval, which usually takes less than 1 business day. Once verified, you will gain access to your virtual debit card details, which are crucial for the next step of linking it to your PayPal account seamlessly. Before linking your card, make sure your RedotPay virtual card has some funds. PayPal will make a small, temporary charge of typically $1 or $2 to verify the card's validity. You can load your RedotPay card using cryptocurrency, which is usually quite fast, or through conventional bank transfers if that option is available. This ensures the verification process proceeds without any interruptions. Now, log into your PayPal account from a secure web browser or the mobile application. Head over to the Wallets and Cards section, then select the option to link a debit or credit card. Input the 16-digit number from your RedotPay virtual card, its exact expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. Double-check all the details to avoid any entry errors. After adding your card, PayPal will make a small, temporary charge to your RedotPay virtual card. This transaction will include a unique 4-digit code in its description. Open your RedotPay application or website to view your transaction history and locate this specific code. Return to your PayPal account, find the pending RedotPay card, and enter the 4-digit code to complete the verification process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.